Business analyst. Before explaining what a business analyst is and why you should become one, let's first explain where a business analyst fits in a company structure. Business analysts are needed in all industries, from banking, mining, medical, insurance, retail, hospitality, in fact, any industry you can think of. In this example, we'll use a bank where you can see there's generally three levels of management: executives, senior management, and middle management. On the side, there's a second flow where the architect fits in. Here you have, from the bottom, your application solution architect, the various domain architects, and at the top you have the enterprise architect or the business architect. Now remember, all companies need to keep up to date with changes in the market. They are constantly updating their existing systems or addressing problem areas in their businesses or need to implement new products. For this, they need a business analyst, and this is where you will fit in. Now for the million-dollar question asked by all. Why become a business analyst? The fact is, business analysts are always in high demand and they are very well paid. We've all seen the change in times and experienced daily how fast technology is moving into what we term a digital era. All companies worldwide need to move with the times in order to be successful or survive in a very competitive world. For this, they need a business analyst, which means it is the career of the future. From business analyst, you can step up to a product owner, which basically means the manager of example credit cards in a bank, or even an enterprise architect. Today, product owners, business analysts, are paid as high as €100 per hour. As a business analyst, we teach you how to create customer journeys. The pre-flow, in other words, the navigation, the basic flow with the various patterns and stages, and the post-flow, which is normally the landing page. We introduce you to the patterns and the stages. We teach you how to write use cases with the various types of flows. We also teach you topology diagrams, and we teach you capability models. Why choose BAvarsity? Firstly, let's compare what BAvarsity offers as opposed to other business analyst courses in the market today. We'll start by teaching you industry models, target operating models, how to do a business landscape, high-level process mapping, customer journeys with the various patterns and stages, use case, wireframe with behavior and validation, sequence flow diagrams for all flows, test scenarios, test cases, test scripts, and lastly, how to create a minimum viable product with more than 10 functions. Now let's touch base on what the BAvarsity course will teach you. We will teach you how to create an MVP, which is a minimum viable product to take to the market, which in essence means creating a product with the least number of functions needed to create a digital application to engage with customers. This will entail a 4-step process, each having 10 functions. We will start teaching you industry models as a starting point. Then we will move on to do the target operating model, the business landscape, and a high-level process refinement. Once we've taught you how to create the industry models, the target operating models, the business landscape, and also the high-level processes, we'll teach you how the processes are integrated with each other, and that is how we will build the minimum viable product. You can choose to either attend a 10-day workshop presented by a market expert and start putting your CV out as soon as possible. Or you can learn online at your own pace. The choice is yours, but make the right one. Join BAvarsity today.